Okay, so hi everyone. Today we're going to be playing this game. Okay, we're in the game. Waiting for more players. I'm so itchy all of a sudden. Okay, so let's see what we are. I'm a fighter. That's a giant right there. Wait, Joy. First of all, what? 2, 1, yeah! Yay, yeah! Okay, Mr. Bacon here with bacon on his chest. Oh, there he is! Shoot him. Is he gonna do anything? What? Does he just walk around and we just have to defeat him? Or what? Just follow him. Just go. Oh, he has a gun. Wow. Just, wow. Ah. No! No! Oh my god, what is he going for? Which one? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Pee 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 pee. What 24/7? I want to pee 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 you, Tony. I only hit him once. Oh, I want to become the boss in this video. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 that's illegal. No, no, no. No, no, no. What? What is going on? Dude, I swear if this thing doesn't go, I gotta kill him. I gotta kill him. I really do. I really do. Is he AFK? Okay. What? All those bullets went to waste? You gotta be kidding me. No, no. This is... Get him. How much damage am I doing? No! Right there. Look how pretty my face is. Look how pretty this thing is. Let's go. Dude, shift locked. Dude, we don't even need shift lock anymore. Okay, let's get him. Wait, what? Oh, wait, are we seriously about to defeat this guy? No, I want to be giant boss now. Okay, let's just defeat him, and then I want to be the giant boss. Let's defeat him with all our power. And... yay. Okay, let's get to the next round. 3, 2, 1. And let's see. Let's go. Let's go. I'm a giant. I go pew 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 all day. Pew 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 all day. Pew. Okay, this is hard. I can't aim bullets. The bullets go absolutely nowhere. They pew pew. I want to get them. I'm gonna get them. Haha. How much does the stomp ability do? I gotta hit 2. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it. Oh, this guy's so slow. Oh, he fell off the edge. Get him. Oh my god, this game's so fun. I'm gonna sneak up on this guy, hopefully. Okay, that's one. You almost got one, almost got one, almost got one. Almost got another one. Reload already. Oh, now he's 1,000,000 meters away. Thanks, game. Okay, got him. Now it's just this guy. It's just this guy. Let's get him. I think I just launched him. Ooh, direct hit. Oh, he knows my tricks now, doesn't he? I'm just gonna spam him. Oh. Yay! Little again. Okay. Okay, wait. Can I be this guy's shoulder accessory? Please, pretty please. Yeah! Beach ball, beach ball, beach ball. Okay, let's see this stuff. I don't think that's really that free. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Again? I'm stuck. What? I'm stuck in the ground. Okay, that's not fair. You know what? What? I was stuck in the ground. Don't judge me. Wait, I teleported. What the heck? Yeah! Okay, this can. Why me? Why? Why me? Okay, this guy's very, yeah, we only got a little bit of his health done, so let's just get the rest. Okay, I might do, like, yeah, this might be the last round. Let's go, go, go. Okay, look at my health. My health is very low. Look at my health. Okay, I bring the camera up a little bit just so you can see my health. That's the thing. Okay, I just moved the camera back down. And ching-a-ling-a-ding-a-ling-a-ching-a-ling-a-ling-a. This takes forever. Why? Pew pew. This is just the easiest target of my life. Oh no! I just missed on my shot. Really? No! 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 Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Bye guys. Bye.